Now that we're done with pre-planning, we want to move on into installation. We first want to make sure that the double-sided tape will stick to your surface. So I would suggest testing it on a wall or ceiling, depending on where you're going to place the beacons before moving on. Now, once that's done, you want to use the beacon placement map and grab the assigned beacon and move to your location. Remove the backing from the double-sided tape and apply it to the beacon. Make sure and place the beacon on the wall or ceiling about 8 to 10 feet from the ground. Once you've determined that, firmly place the beacon on the wall or ceiling and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Now, a few important things to note: keep installation height consistent across all beacons. Avoid placing beacons close to large metal objects, as that could interfere with the signal. And avoid placing beacons in corners or at an intersection of the wall or ceiling.